Dark. May kanta pa siya. Yeah.
Slowly.
Her darkness. Peace. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys. Welcome to our podcast.
Ayaw nga pala.
Welcome to, hindi pa 1 a.m.
Welcome to 8:59 thoughts. Hindi ba 1 a.m. thoughts? Bye. Ako ay parang... Oh, here! Weird yung color, but...
Ganda bagay sa'yo, B.
Parang whatever. Clean girl aesthetic. Sus! Ay. Wow! Sino yun? Ay, may ano sila dun, oh, may party. Sana all, no? May party sila, guys.
Kaya miss ko mag-party actually, pero at the same time,
Parang hindi tayo
ayoko
nagpa-party this past few months.
Parang last party natin was St. Patty's.
No, yeah. I was gonna say Nicole's birthday, never mind.
St. Patty's. Wait a minute.
At tagal na dun. It's like March 17, yeah. Damn! Changed persons. We don't do parties anymore. Ala, ba't ang dilim ba kasi? Hello? Para ako sa 264. Dark pa din, no? Okay na yan.
Yeah,
okay
that's
na
better.
yan.
Ganito na lang, no? Mga saniling...
Hindi kaya ng lighting.
Ganito dapat.
So,
Lagay
hi guys.
mo.
Dito. Ay, hindi kita sa Beyonce.
Oh.
Sabi, tinakpan ako na.
Oh, diba?
Ay, B, hindi kaya. Eh, ganito mo kaya, oh. Ay. Ah!
Mark!
Damn!
Oh, diba?
Ayun na siya, B.
Nag-rush talaga siya. Gawing patakbo ng sasakyan
So,
yun.
guys, we're going to Don's to buy some Mickey D's and then some water. G and Carla is here. He's here. We told him to rush, so that's why he's here. Hello! So on topic for today's podcast is bakit kumakain din kasi ng clover? Eh, grabe, ubos na yung clover. Grabe na, ubos. Pang-bowling sana yun. Kaya nga, grabe.
In-offer nyo eh.
Grabe, dinner na niya yan. Baby, tara na.
Door to door.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. Say hi to my new camera. Look. I think we're at, saan ba tayo?
Hoy, she is my
Video yan.
my girlfriend. Sabi niya pa. Mamaphobic. Ano kanta yun?
Grabe, may kanta pa siya sa
Ano kanta yun?
homophobia niya. Oh my God.
Ano kanta yun? Yung sa TikTok. Ano, you should know that.
The what? How can we homophobic? My bitch is gay.
Oh, yun.
Update everyone, we're playing golf.
So this is the wife.
Okay, go. Kez, Gian, sure, Beyonce. Now, okay. Okay. I think for this thing, I'm gonna win.
Oh,
How are we gonna? Do you win?
yeah, I think there's scores.
There is?
Hindi, ano ba yung babi yan?
Tuturuan kita mag-hit na.
Anyways, everybody, we're here.
Mag-golf ako last year. Magpapaturo, bitagaan mo lang sila.
No, like,
Di, samahan mo dito, B.
Balls and tees and everything are gonna be right here.
Thank you.
Just have it right now. So if anything's switched up, just give me a shout.
Okay, thank you.
Have fun, guys.
Camera. Where ba? Oh, here. That's a perfect.
Ito sa
Ready?
Oh, okay, okay.
B, paano to B?
No.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Just kidding.
For the study,
Wait lang.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
B, nawala.
Excuse me. Can we get some help here?
What's going on? Uh-oh. No, it's fine.
Gagi yung camera ko na yung camera. Oh, my bad.
Oh, closed. Even better.
Nasira namin. Oh my God. Ako talaga yun. Si Luan talaga yung kung anong kanalikot, guys. Bastos.
Uy, di. Nakakatakot naman si Jing.
Hindi kasi kailangan full swing daw. Inaayos niya, guys. Kuya, pang lefty ata yan. Nasira kasi nila yung camera. Ay, yung camera, yung system. Yeah. Oopsie. So, extra bayad to. Joke. Takot, Gagi. Go.
Naiwan yung ball.
Oh my God! Yung bala iwan. Oh my God.
Go, G. Go, Beyonce? Ay, puta.
Damn! Okay, I see you.
Asan yung data?
Ayun o.
Baba. Tingnan mo yung data. Oh.
Sa handle mismo. Diyan lang sa rubber.
Are you a lefty?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, dun sa baba. Slay.
Okay, slay. Okay, data.
Ilan?
10 yards. Atika's turn. Okay. Ready? Ganda. Guys. Hoy, wag mo bitawan yung stick, ha?
Ito na, for the series na.
Uy, tanga, nasira mo.
Hala! Oh my God! She broke the thing. Ay, parang maganda yung ano ni Ate Kezo. Okay, data, guys. Oh my God. Guys, nasira na Ate Kezo.
Uy, wag naman ganyan, wag naman ganyan.
0 yards, no?
We're gonna watch Luan do her turn. Wow. Slay.
Ito ang baba nun.
Actually, hindi talaga nung gano'n.
Wow.
So guys, I got 41 yards. Wait, this is the first round's results. We're here. So, oh,
Ay, shit.
yan. Kuya G, yan. Who's this? Beyonce?
Beyonce.
Kuya Sher.
I'm scared.
Because? Me. Yeah.
I'm scared na baka hindi ko na naman siya
Nicole's turn, guys.
Okay. Uy, wag kayo mag-video. Okay na, anong loob?
Okay lang yan. Ako nga kanina pa nila tinatawanan eh.
Kasi kung ito matamaan.
I see you, Nix.
Oh!
Good start, good start.
Okay, data. 23.5.
Fairness.
We are now playing pool. That's the libat. What's libat? Like this. Like this. Look at me. Na ganyan yung eyes mo. Like inside. Naduling. Naduling. Yeah. Okay, I see you. Stripes ka? Let's take stripes.
This is a... Wait lang, guys. This is a 90. Guys, this is a 90. Come on.
What? Okay, guys, we gotta see this. At Ate Kaz's result.
Gian, watch.
1, 2,
Kesha.
3. Ay,
Oh, damn! Huh? 79.
Ay, wala.
Ah, ganun pala yung practice ng ano.
Practice lang yun.
It's your turn. It's your turn. That's not bad, I guess. Is it my turn for pool?
Yeah. Nicole's turn.
Let's say so.
Okay, my turn at pool. So
Ano kami na ito?
Did you win, ha? Pwede yan ba yan?
Ikot natin ang brace lang. Oo.
Ibalik yan. Hindi counted yan.
guys, hindi kami pinagbayad. Libre! Kuya, I love you. I love you, kuya. Guys, naka-free golf kami.
Bakit kaya? Good mood siguro si Angkol.
And then you're the one that paid $7 for the drink.
$7. Pati yung alak kasi. Pepsi ninyo.
Yeah.
So, yung Pepsi namin libre.
Dalawa.
And then yung Go.
Oh my God, kuya, I love you, ha?
Par 94, you're the best.
Come to Par 94, guys. Par 94.
Swerte tayo. Lagi tayo may nakakalimutan.
Ayun yung 88 ko kanina.
What if magduli?
Uy, kahit sa Dulis, lagi kami
Lagi may
Uy,
Yeah.
sa Dulis noon sa Uptown, yung libre
Ah,
lang.
baka dolis na lang
Ah, tara.
Doon, pagod daw si
Ate Kes. Uwi ka na?
Pagod na ako, B.
Okay. Okay, guys. Uwi na kami.
Guys, uwi na kami, guys.
Bye. Saan ka punta?
Dito tayo kay Loan.
Dito kayo lahat sakay. Bye, sure. Hello! No! Ayoko!
Guys! See you sa SJ.
Wait lang! Kalayo mo!
Alright.
Only love can hurt like this.
Mga OA.
My God.
See you guys when I see you guys. Bye.
Bye! Don't forget to like, share. Magbaboy na sa vlog. Magbaboy na tayo. Wait, kaming apat. Bye!
See you sa podcast!
Podcast! We have a giveaway. Like and subscribe. Naka-ziplock na bulbul namin. Bye! Ingat! Bye! Bye! Tarit-tarit!
Hindi ko pala kita yung GC ba?
Nakita ko na.
Okay.
Nakita ko na. Go na ba? Set a date para weekend sa kasi for option ikaw. Ikaw pala, di ka sure mag-work ka din lang. Okay, call it. Okay.
Sa akin okay lang kasi on call naman siya.
Ako weekend. Oh, weekend.
Ako din weekends.
Nag-send na ako. May call man ata na. Bye!
See you soon sa aming podcast!
Outro.
Bye! Outro! Ano outro?
Wala lang. Bye-bye lang.
Peace!
Bye!
Peace! Bye! Ganun pa, ganun din.
Ingat kayo ah! Ingat!
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Isa pa, isa pa! Bye guys, uwi na kami. It's summertime. So guys, magbabay na kami kay Ate Beyonce because this is the last time we're gonna see her until the next time we see each other again. Ate ka!
Ready lang ako!
Ganito yung hiwalayan guys, ganito. Anyways, okay.
Ganda mo na feeling?
Huggies, sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season made me never forget the love we have for Jesus. Oh yeah! Oy, ayoko na naman.
Oh yeah, yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh.
Wala, naiyak si Noon!
Bye! Oh, ayok. Basta sa pulpul niyo. Wala kayo narinig. Bukas. Magugupit ako mamaya. Ay, gusto ko. Mamaya sa kwarto. Ay, gano'n ka na. Ayoko na. Gusto mo yung mata-mata. Gusto ko yung out. Wala na, babawa na to. Ay, ingat to ah. Ingat bukas. Ako pa niya.
Mga hindi
Patagal pa kasi. Pinasanay tayo ang cellphone.
Pero yung cellphone niya nahulog pa. Sige na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon. Bukas. Ingat. Guys, she's gone. Bye. She went home. Sorry. Guys, it's just me and Nicole now. I'm sleeping over at her room. Her room's kind of a mess because she's packing, but yeah, for the black bag right there.
This is so sad.
So sad. I moved out already, so my sadness is done.